In this video, I will show you how to add images to product variants in Shopify. First of all, let's log in Shopify admin account, then click on products. And let's open one the product with multiple variants, such as this one, vanilla candle. And let's scroll down to the variants section. And as you will notice, I have just one image for this product, and it's not assigned to any of the variants. So let's go ahead and assign the small candle to the 8-ounce variant. For that, let's click on Add Image. And since this product has already been uploaded to the store library, let's just select right here and then click Done. And for the other two variants, I'm going to upload brand new images. So let me just click Add New Image, and then let's drag both images from my computer to the store library. So the images have been uploaded. Now we can just go ahead and select the 16-ounce image for the 16-ounce variant and do the same thing for the 24-ounce right here, and done. Now I can go ahead and save changes. Now let's wait for a minute or two for the changes to update in the system. And let's go back to the website and refresh it. Here are the uploaded images. Now we can go ahead and switch between different variants and we show an assigned image. However, there's one thing I would like to mention. If you go to the collections page, you'll notice that the main image for this particular product is the 8-ounce candle. I can actually go ahead and change that to a different image. For that, let's go back to the product and let's just assign the 24-ounce candle as the main image. For that, let's just drag it right in here and it will be saved automatically. Now, once again, allow for the changes to update about a minute or so. And let's go back to the collections page. Let's refresh it. And there it is. And as you can see, the main image is now different. So that's pretty much it. That's all I want to show you in this video. Hope you found it helpful. And for more Shopify tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.